Hey, this is Sam with the Adoption Law Firm, and I want to talk to you briefly about potential pitfalls to international adoption. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably pretty adoption savvy already, and so you may have heard horror stories about children that have been adopted internationally, and so the whole international adoption community is at this time pretty sensitive to make sure that children that are being adopted by American families aren't just being adopted because the biological parents are maybe poor, but they're actually abandoned or both parents have died. And to really make sure that is happening, that these children are actual orphans, it's really important to know well the agency that you're partnering with. You may have an American agency that has adoption programs in 20 different countries. How do they know that their partners in all 20 of those countries are practicing adoptions in an ethical manner? Well, you really need to know the people you're partnering with. And I think that's a good place to, if you find an adoption agency that you feel comfortable with and you think, I'd really like a second evaluation on whether they're practicing adoptions ethically, that's a good time to contact an adoption attorney that knows the field and is familiar with the agencies. And so when you're considering international adoption, it's good and it's appropriate to have all those parenting butterflies and excitement that you're bringing a previous orphan into your home, calling them your own, making them your child, but also think through anytime money and child welfare mixes, bad things can happen. And we need appropriate checks and balances and people with good character taking care of these children instead of exploiting adoptive families and exploiting biological parents.